Hey there! Today I'm gonna show you how to make pickled onions from scratch. I always have them in my fridge because they're super easy to make and can also elevate any dishes. So let's get right into it. Cut the onions across its grain into nice slices and then put them in a jar. Add 1 cinnamon, some coriander seeds, a sprinkle of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Pour the apple cider vinegar until it reaches 2/3 of the jar, and then add 1/3 of the water. Seal it up and place it in the fridge for at least 24 hours. My favorite way to enjoy them is to add them in my sandwich, but you can also add them in your salad, egg, tacos, you name it. Pickled onions are tangy, slightly sweet, and acidic, which make the food mouth-watering good. And because they're crispy, they also give the food more texture. Okay, if any of you are inspired to make your own pickled onions, definitely send me a picture in the comment or in Instagram. I love seeing how you guys are making it your own. And thank you so much for being here with me today. Take care, I will see you in the next one.